are doing the same thing. ਉਹ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਜਿਸਮ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਪੀਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਰੀਸਾਈਕਲ ਆਫ ਲਾਈਫ ਇਜ਼ देयर. But what is the difference then? The difference is ਇੱਕ ਭੋਗ ਹੈ ਜੀਵਨ ਦਾ ਭੋਗਣਾ, ਜੋ ਸੰਸਾਰ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾਣੇ ਪੀਣੇ ਭੋਗ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਕਰਮ ਯੋਗੀ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਕਰਮ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਜਾਨਵਰ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਭੋਗ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ. ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਨੇ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹੈ, the way he has created them, the way he has put up the conscious into the, they only can do up to certain limits. Like a lion can do only to certain extent. If the lion has got the human mind, then he can overcome us. But with our human mind, we have overcome the lion. We know how to tame the animals. So there's a difference, the main difference, that is a Bhog zone. And we are a Karam. It's a Karam Khetar. The Sansar is basically a Karam Khetar. We have come here to do something. Whereas all the other zones are designed only to do the Bhog, Khana, Pina, Jina, and Marna. That recycle is keep on going. So this is the Shabad. We have to start with that. I don't know the exact time we have. How much time we have?
3:30.
3:30. So we have to finish everything within 3:30 time. Okay. So it depends how much we feel interest. It depends how much we grab out of it, because I'm not saying anything out of my mind. What I have learned, what I'm saying you is a Gurbani. So you have the paper in your hand, you can go back home, and if people are interested, get more in details. Because this is we are doing everything in the life which has no meaning basically. Basically the concept of the life is to realize the true reality in the life. Such, jada कार है वो सच है, क्योंकि we have come from the truth and we have to go back to the truth. This is what Guru Sahib said, Aad Sach. अगर कोई चीज़ which is not within the time and space is a time, is a such. Aad Sach, Juga Sach, Heavy Sach, Nanak, Hosi be such. So the whole game is based on the true reality. So we have to reach to the true reality, which is we call a super mind or super conscious. So to reach to the super conscious is we have to reach through Dasam Dwar. There is a 10th gate in the life. In our body, the God has created of 9 outlets. But after the 9 outlets, there is one outlet which is a hidden, which is not seen. So Guru Sahib कहते हैं, what is that hidden outlet? So we will come to that point now. There is another very important point, because the subject is a very lengthy subject. I don't want to reach to the end of the point until we really see the journey up to the Dasam Dwar. We might have to take few sessions. It's not that, because Dasam Dwar is a situation, there's no return from that. After that, there's a car, Sach da car. जिथों ਅਸੀਂ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਸਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਪੜਿਆ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਵੇ प्यारे आओ करे. Now our mind, basically Guru Sahib, the yoga asanas and other things and all the mythology, other people talk about it, कि जिस्म के अंदर 6 चक्कर है गए, and the ultimate is the crown chakra. They call it is a Dasam Dwar, but this basically the Dasam Dwar is not an energy. It's a such. Energy is a part of that. क्योंकि जड़ी रचना रची गई है, that is a part of the energy. So the spinal cord has got 6 energy level. The 10th is a super. Because energy level is different than the conscious mind. This is very important to understand. Because a lot of people will get confused. that शायद साड़ी रीढ़ दी हड्डी च कोई 6 द्वारे हैगे ने कुंडली वजी हुई है. All the yoga asana people believe that Dasam Dwar is here, but it's not a materialistic mind. We have to be very careful to understand that Dasam Dwar is not a materialistic material. It's a conscious level, which has got no time and space, which is not within the time and space. I can give you an example. If you go 20 years back, you have done something very important in your life, good or bad, you still remember. And within a flash of time you can reach. So the mind, the conscious level, we are living in that, is not within the time and space. So our mind is not living within the time and space, the God is not within the time and space, that is the truth. That's why it's not a present, past and future. That's why Guru Sahib said, Aad Sach, ਜਦੋਂ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ਉਹ ਆਦ ਤੋਂ ਸੱਚ, ਜੁਗਾਦ ਸੱਚ, ਹੈ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ, ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ. That is everlasting. That will never ever change. So that is a condition of the mind. Now this is another very important point. So many things will come in between. Our mind is conditioned. If you talk to the yogis, the people who do the yoga, yoga means a milap. They try to see the ultimate truth of the life, which is a superconscious. They want to go through the body. Body is a container. It is very important. But the God Himself is reside inside. To realize that part is much more important than a body. Now, some of the shabas you see, they're very valuable, but sometimes we recite it. Just ਅਸੀਂ ਬੋਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਨੂੰ ਔਰ ਬਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਨੂੰ ਗੁਰ ਕਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਗੁਰ ਕਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਰਤਨ ਹੈ ਹੀਰੇ ਜਿੱਤ ਜੜਾਓ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਹੀਰਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏ and you pay a lot of price and you don't want to keep it in almari as if you want to keep it right on your finger all the time, so it stays with you. It's so important. So ਗੁਰੂ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਲਾਇਕ ਹੀਰਾ. ਸੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਆਇਆ ਕਿ ਬਾਹਰ ਭੀਤਰ ਏਕੋ ਜਾਨੋ, ਬਾਹਰ ਭੀਤਰ ਏਕੋ ਜਾਨੋ ਇਹ ਗੁਰ ਗਿਆਨ ਬਤਾਏ. Now this shabad is not here on these pages. Yeah, this is the one. Let me explain ਬਾਹਰ ਭੀਤਰ. What is a ਬਾਹਰ? ਸਰੀਰ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਤੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ एक कड़ी चीज़ है जी इको ही है. What is that content which is the same outside, which is same inside your body? This is what the God is present, is manifested everywhere, is present all over the places, and it resides within you too. So this body is basically, we are the containers. Now we are all sitting here, api pande sajin api puran de. It's a panda. Panda ki is the container, to contain something. In this panda, what is contained is a conscious. The superconscious has created a conscious within this panda. So bahar pitar, jisa tusi ਘਰ ਦੇ ਚ ਇੱਕ ਟੱਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਣੀ ਪਾ ਲਓ, ਉਹ ਚ 4 ਬਾਲਟੀਆਂ ਰੱਖ ਦਿਓ. 4 ਬਾਲਟੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਭਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਕੋਈ ਬਾਲਟੀ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਗਲਾਸ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਕੋਲੀ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਮੱਗ ਹੈ. पर सारे जिसले बाहर कड्डोगे तुम कहोगे बाल्टी का पानी है, मग का पानी है, गिलास का पानी है, कौली का पानी है, थाली का पानी, पर पानी सारे एक है. जिसले बाहर टब के पानी पिया है तो पानी जो कंटेनर च भी होई है तो बाहर का भी होई.